Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here. Welcome back to your weekly affirmation. We've been building confidence together. First by believing in ourselves, then by trusting our voice. And this week, we're taking a deep breath and letting go of comparison. Because comparison is quite a thief. It steals joy, slows growth, and convinces you that what you've done isn't enough. But the truth is, you are growing right on time. When you stop measuring yourself against other people's journeys, you make room truly to appreciate your own self. You make space for gratitude, and from gratitude, confidence grows stronger. So today, we move into the affirmation. I want you to release the pressure. Let go of what you think it should look like and honor what it does look like. Your growth, your style, your story, they're all unique. That's your power. Now take a slow, deep breath in and exhale the weight of comparison. Let's affirm this truth together. Comparison weakens confidence. Gratitude strengthens it. When I focus on my own lane, I grow faster, freer, and stronger. I celebrate my progress. I release the pressure to be perfect. My journey is unfolding exactly as it should. I look back only to see how far I've come, not to measure myself against anyone else. I trust that I'm where I need to be, learning what I need to learn, becoming who I'm meant to be. I'm not in competition. I'm in creation, becoming my best self. Now take a deep breath and say it slowly with me. I honor my path. I grow at my own pace. I am enough. Once more, with conviction. I honor my path. I grow at my own pace. I am enough. Carry that energy with you all week. When comparison tries to creep in, come back to gratitude. Come back to your lane. Come back to belief. This is Coach Steph, reminding you that comparison fades when confidence grows. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next week for our final affirmation of self-belief. Thank you for listening.